Hello everyone, Cassandra Good reporting to you live from my vehicle, and I want to talk to you a little bit more about the video that I uploaded yesterday about my lead gene secrets. Okay, now guys, I want you to know I just came into this opportunity myself. The results are still coming in. I will show you later on my click-through rates, my opens, all of the results that I'm experiencing. Now, what I wanted to do is answer a few questions. I want to thank you all first and foremost for those of you all who have sent me emails after I uploaded that video. Now, those emails have been answered. Check that, because anybody that sent me an email after probably 2 a.m. Eastern Standard Time, I have not checked those as of yet, and I'm just leaving the gym. So I wanted to answer three of the questions that I mainly got. Okay, number one, the question was, and the main question is, Miss Cassandra, are these legitimate leads? Now, from what I'm seeing, I want to answer it this way in its honest entirety. The leads appear to be legitimate leads. Let me tell you why. What I did was I went in and I only tested two. I will test more, and I will do an open video with you all so that you can see. I sent personal email from my email, not within the system itself, but from my personal email. I sent an email to two recipients, two subscribers that came onto my list, and guess what? They responded to me. Now, with those, what I'm going to actually do is make sure that I get some more. I'm going to do another testing. I'm going to send out some more emails so that I can warm up to them. I can also build a relationship with them, and I'm going to show you the responses to those as well. Now, I won't show you the content because that's privacy, and I respect everyone's privacy, but I want to make sure that you know that they are actual legitimate leads people are responding to. They are not bots. Number two, someone had asked me, can you add to the list? Can you use their mailing interface to mail even more? No, you cannot. This system and this platform is only generated for the leads that are actually coming in. When those leads come in, the only thing that you can actually do is email those particular leads that are coming in 100 per day. You'll have 3,000 by the end of the 30 days, okay? And even more. You keep your subscribership. The wonderful thing about it is, even though you can't upload more leads to the system to use the mailing system, you can upload your leads to an outside third party, like if you have Aweber, if you have GetResponse, if you have MailChimp, if you have any other mailing system or autoresponder system that you utilize so that you can build a list or keep engagement with or building relationship with, you can use that. You can upload those leads into that particular system. Thirdly, they asked me, well, as you get more leads, does the price increase? No, guys, the price does not increase. It's a $30 one-time setup fee. Okay, that's for you to have your link, your affiliate site, all of that, maintaining that, and it's $30 a month. So that means that you're getting leads, 100 leads per day. Valid leads from what I'm seeing so far, and like I said, I'll go into more detail once I see more, and once I do another case study. That's going to be something I'm going to be sharing with you live. Once you see how this works, you can see how it's not hard at all to build a subscriber list for yourself, one that you can engage with, one that you can share your products and services with, and one, if you want to, you can go ahead and do any kind of niche. You can have a specific niche. That's why I do encourage people to have an outside source, a third party source that you can definitely use, that will help you at the end of the day build up relationships with these same leads that are coming in. So if you're in nutrition, you can build a list for nutrition. If you're in make money from home, you can. If you're into internet marketing, if you're into Forex, Bitcoin, whatever it is that you're in with those particular niches, you can go ahead and create that niche, that list for you, and build that relationship starting with that. The fourth question I'm gonna go ahead and answer too. I don't know the specifics of it, but this is what I know so far. Someone had asked me, Cassandra, with these leads, would you resell them? Me personally, no. I am not in the business of solo ad selling or whatever the case may be. Can it happen later on? I don't think it couldn't, but the main primary focus is in the beginning is to build a relationship with them. Even to be a solo ad vendor, you have to first curate the list, build a relationship with the list, and then with different products and services, you have to figure out which one you want to use to share with that list. So if you're in weight loss, of course, you're going to share all kinds of weight loss things with them. You're going to tell, what's the best fat burner, what's good for appetite suppressant, what is healthy measures, what are healthy things for you to eat, to burn or to increase your metabolism. Whatever it is, you're going to want to build that list, build that relationship based on that particular niche. And then later on, if you want to, if you have the system that's needed to be a solo ad vendor, of course, you may be able to do that. Okay. So I definitely wanted to make sure that I help you with that so that you'll understand how all of this works. Okay. But follow me. Keep paying attention. I'm going to give you the results time and time again. Let you see exactly what I'm actually doing, what niches I'm sharing, because I'm going to share several. I'm going to test it all. So I'm doing some split testing, and I do believe with the results that other people are having. Now, the results that other people are having is because simply people are looking for viable, tangible, realistic leads. Okay, so most of these results that we're experiencing on our Facebook page, in our Facebook group, is from people that are actually using the system. They're sharing the system, and several others are actually, because they done warmed up with their list, meaning they've been in a little bit longer, a couple of months, they've warmed up to their list. They've introduced their list to the niche that they're in, so they're starting to purchase products out of trust, accountability with that particular list builder, okay, so that you understand that. So definitely keep up with me. Thank you so much for listening. As more questions come in, I appreciate you guys with the questions so I can answer them for you. Definitely subscribe to my channel. Also, if you would like, below this link is a link for you to go ahead and sign up. I assure you will enjoy the leads as they come in. You will see that you'll be able to relate to them and start building relationships with these people and these subscribers so that you too can have power in your list and you too can experience what it means actually to have a powerful list that will produce profits for you for 2019 and beyond. Guys, have a wonderful one. I'll speak to you later, and bye for now.